you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep watching. Okay, today as you can see, I don't have a base on. So I decided to try something different and do my eyes first, which I never do. So I've seen some videos on how to do it, but we'll just try it. Okay, I'm gonna go for a lighter brow today than my normal one. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in, I think, dark brown. Yeah, dark brown. Okay, now I'm going to put some powder on my eyes. Taking this in Universal, I guess you can't see that. And I'm just going to take a flat, fluffy brush, if I can find it, and put that all over my lid. Okay, now going in with the Nude palette, I am going to take this purple shade and blend it all over my lid. I mean, all over the crease, not the lid. And I'm just going to take that same fluffy brush and pack it in there, I guess. Okay, now taking this small brush, I'm going to take this shade and put it on the outer corner and into the crease. Now going in with this dark purple shade called Love Bite. I'm going to take a small brush like this. I'm just going to pack it on the outer V. Actually, yeah. I'm going to pack a concealer onto the lid. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade called Bear and put that all over the concealer. Now taking this shade, Daydream, now going in with Fantasy. Oh my gosh. I am going to take the same brush and pack it on the center. Okay, now going back in with that dark purple shade. And I'm going to go in with that purple shade again. Okay, and taking this, I'm Going to put white in the center, corner. And then with this, I am going to pop that in the corner with this. Taking the NYX pencil in black, I am just going to wing this a little bit. Taking this brush again, I'm just going to smudge that out. Taking my liquid liner, if I can show it, there we go. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'm back to do the base. Now I'm going to take my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer and put that all over my face. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty and 120. Oof, look at that. I'm getting better at this. My Wonder Stick in light, I think it is. I'm just gonna take it and contour. NARS concealer again. And then just to make it a teensy bit brighter, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty concealer and just add a dot under each eye. I'm back. My memory card ran out of space. Okay, all you missed was I blended out my concealer and contour, and now I added some powder. Now I'm just gonna blend it out. Now taking the Fenty powder again, I'm just gonna quickly go all over the face. Now I am going to go in with my Hoola Light Bronzer again and just go over my contour. Now taking that same fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into the contour cut shade and just go down my nose bridge. NARS Duo, as always. And taking the blush color, just go on the apples of the cheeks and a little bit up. And with that highlight shade, taking Champagne Pop by BECCA Cosmetics. I'm just gonna go a little bit over that just to make it look now. I'm going to take this brush and go in with this color again and just get underneath the brow bone. And because doing all the powder and stuff made me lose my eyebrows a bit, I'm just gonna go a little bit over them again. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. I am back, lashes are on. Now I'm just gonna fix up the edges with some eyeliner and then put mascara on. Mascara. Take that dark purple shade again and put it on the lower lash line. And then taking this, I'm going to go in with Daydream. This one. So pretty. Now I'm gonna put some mascara on the bottom lashes. Now I just need to do lips and I'll be right back with the finished look. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed. I don't know what to call this look. Trying new things. I was going to post a video yesterday, but I got a huge blackhead on my nose, as you could see, and it was infected and gross. So I thought I'd just let it recuperate for a day. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.
기억나?